Hello and welcome to ePrime. I'm Crystal. Last night, the RJR Gleaner Communications Group hosted our Client Appreciation and Awards Ceremony at the Sunken Gardens in Hope Gardens. First event for the group's joint clientele pulled out all the stops with crowd favorites Sanchez and Ernie Smith.
Holding you, a feeling I never once knew.
It was splendid. It was awesome. Can't find words to explain. It was great.
I hit 72 1st of May, so I'm just bubbling along and giving thanks to still be here.
The event also saw corporate heavyweights including Kelly Tomlin, outgoing CEO of the Jamaica Public Service, JPS.
Well, it's bittersweet, of course. I'm so happy with what my team has created.
The night, however, was all about the big winners. The RJR Gleaner Group's award for the top spending advertiser went to Supreme Ventures Limited and runners-up Unicomma Jamaica Limited.
It comes right in time because Supreme Ventures celebrates 16 years this weekend.
The other top categories, Spending Advertising Agency, went to Advertising and Marketing Limited. Runners-up in this category were the Marketing Counselors.
You're all winners for supporting us through this year that we have just gone through, and hopefully through many, many years to come.
And that's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. Have a good one.